Hey YouTube, it is the 27th of February 2021 and we've got new taillight lenses and new LED bulbs. They have just arrived yesterday for my 66 F100. So I was thinking, let's put them in and give them a look-see, shall we? This shouldn't take very long. Alright. So the taillight lenses are from Dennis Carpenter, and the LED light bulbs are eBay purchase. I actually bought 10 of them because I constantly use them. I thought I'd put a couple of them up front. They're just an 1157 base LED bulb. This lens wasn't too bad. I'll keep it for something. Oh boy. Yep. The old bulb. Yeah. If I get the bag open. There we go. Come on. Usually I just get the cheapest one, but I didn't in this case. So these are pretty cool looking. They actually got a lens at the end. Got a whole bunch of LEDs on it. More must be better, right? That's what I thought. That's what we're rolling with. The new lens. The lens on the driver's side is one of them two-piece designs. It didn't start off a two-piece design. This thing still got its original gasket in there. Ooh, shiny. That looks nice. Which pocket did I put the screwdriver in? Right. Let's do the other one. One piece. Two-piece. They were unique to the 66 model year, I think. Two-piece ones. Or they're unique to this truck. Out with the old bulb. In with the new one. Let's test those. All right. Looking good. Looking good. Screw is a little weirder than the other. Right, I like them already. And there we go. They're looking good. Now I'm going to put bulbs in the front, and that's no doubt going to affect the flasher. So I had ordered an LED flasher. I got notification that it has arrived at my house today, so I'll bring it in tomorrow. We might try to put the front ones in and see what happens. But yeah, they look good, don't they? Sweet. Let's do the front ones. Okay. I did not buy new lenses for the front. I cleaned these up. They're far from perfect, but I think they'll be fine. In fact, these aren't even that good. That's all right. That's another two-piecer. I'm going to retest these, make sure they work before we put the lenses back on. Yeah. Lens has a little chip out of it. We're putting it back that way. So again, your turn signal flasher is probably designed for incandescent bulbs that draw a little more power. It's that power draw that heats the springs up inside them and makes them flash. I'm expecting my flasher not to work now that I have LEDs up front and in the back. I've ordered LED flashers in the past with mixed results. I'm hoping what I have waiting for me in the mailbox will work. Well, guess we'll find out in just a couple minutes. Let's get this one done. Nice little upgrades though. I do have LED headlights for this, but I want to change the grill. We'll play that by ear a little bit. See if I end up with more time, then we might change the headlights down, the grill later, or change the grill now and buy a chrome bumper later. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Sometimes it's just about time management. And if I have the time, then we'll probably do something anyway. At least I have them here if I have the time to change. I have the gasket. This one's going to be stern. Gasket. Still mostly good. That back. Try it out before we put the lens on it. Yes. We are successful. That's a bright one without a lens on it. Yes, it's going away. We may or may not put one back on that. It was falling apart. Oh. So if these flash without replacing the flasher, I'll be real surprised. But if they do, we'll end the video there. If not, I'll wait till I bring the flasher in tomorrow. The LED style flasher. And we'll change it out. Didn't think they'd work, and they don't. They probably came on and stayed bright. Yes, they did. And they are bright. I'm going to turn the lights off in here so you can see it. So tomorrow I'll bring in the LED flasher, and we'll show you what that looks like with them flashing. So that'll be fun. All right, halfway through our upgrade. All right, we got the electronic flasher in the truck this morning. It arrived actually a few days ago. One of them did anyway. So you can see she's flashing really good. Let's go look at the rear real quick. Sorry, it's too cold for me to open up the doors this morning. But you get to see the action there anyway. So I'll take you down under the dash. In my situation, my 66 has two flashers. One for the emergency flashers, which was actually an option, accessory option on these trucks. And it has a flasher for the emergencies and a flasher for the turn signals, which I had to search really hard for this morning. But I finally found it by putting a regular bulb back in it, turning the flasher on, or turn signal on so I could see it. So here is where the two flashers were. Wow, get some lights here. You can see these two terminals here. These are for the emergencies, and then this is for the turn signal here. And originally, this was the flasher unit. Sorry for the darkness, but it is what it is under the dash. These were heavy-duty flashers, which are necessary for towing trailer and trailer lights back in the day, but these should do fine. All right, I'm going to take you back to my computer and show you where I acquired them. So this is my purchase history on eBay. I buy almost everything I get on eBay when I can. That's mostly so I can remember where I got it. So this is the flasher we just looked at. Obviously it's been delivered on February 27th, whenever that was. LED flasher relay. This is what you need when you're converting to LEDs. This was only $5. Okay. and under garage was the seller. Now there's a ton of them out there. You don't have to buy for whatever. $5 was about as cheap as I could get, and get it quickly from a USA seller. They're still made overseas, all that jazz, but a USA seller. I also bought 4 more of an adjustable 2-pin. This says for motorcycle, but yeah, they're really all the same. And these were $2.50 a piece. So, but with a little bit of shipping. So I paid $13.28 for 4 of them, or $5 for 1 of them. So that puts 1 in my emergency slot and puts 3 on the shelf for future. I'm pretty cheap, so if I can save a few bucks, I will. But I also like to have this stuff. I'm going to need it again. I just don't know when. So let's put a few spares on the shelf. So that's what we did. So guys, that's going to wrap up this video. LED upgrade to my 1966 Ford F100. Complete with rear lenses and an LED flasher, or in my case, 2 of them. And I did try the flasher that I have in the emergency slot, and it works just fine. So when those others arrive, we'll plug her in and she'll be good to go. Gang, thanks for watching. Comment and subscribe and hit the thumbs up on the way out the door. We'll catch you on the next video.